Okay, Mishnah Gimel. Mishnah Gimel. Machnis Adam perotav bechol hamoed. A person is allowed to collect all his fruits in chol hamoed. Min haganot to min hapardesim, from the gardens and from the orchards. Why? Mipnei haganavim. You don't leave them in the yard because you're afraid that some people are going to steal them. שלא יגנבו אותם. ובגמרא אמרו שיעשה זה בצינה עד כמה שאפשר. But it says, don't do it, like have a whole workers coming in and collect everything and make a big hoopla for it. Quietly. So people are not going to think you're walking the land.
So you can actually pick up the fruits. You pick up the fruit in the...
I'm not sure, because it says the word machnis.
Oh.
It's possible that the fruit have already been picked, but you're allowed to collect it. Yeah. Or it might mean what you say. But I think because the word machnis more means that it was already picked. ושולה פשתנו מן המשרה. And he's allowed to take his flax from the tub. They used to clean it or to bleach it or they used to do something with it. Yeah. מוציא את הפשתן ממי המשרה. He used to take the flax from the waters that it dwells in, ששורים אותם בהמה שהתרכך, that you put the flax inside so it becomes soft. It's a chemical process. בשביל שלא תאבד, because if you're not going to do it, the flax is going to become dry and then you won't be able to work with it at all. שאם תישאר הפשתן במי המשרה יותר מדי, and if you're going to leave them in that kind of water in that chemical for too long, עשויה היא להרכיב, it's going to become rotten. ובלבד, and all this, שלא יכוון את מלאכתו במועד. But don't start making, calculations to make sure that I'll have to take it out in the חול המועד. שלא יעשה את מלאכתו כדי לעשתה במועד. Don't leave the work so that you know that you have extra time during חול המועד. בשעה שהוא פנוי מעסקיו האחרים. At the time that is, in other words, if you could do it beforehand. If you couldn't, because you were doing other stuff. Yeah. וכולן, כל אותם מלאכות שהתירו במועד משום דבר העבד, and all these works that we permit you in חול המועד because you're going to have some loss, אם כיוונו מלאכתן במועד, if the sages or the rabbis see, hey, this guy was preparing to do it in the מועד, and he's just doing it now, אם השעת המלאכה בכוונה לעשתה בחול המועד, if he did it on purpose, יעבדו, מניחים לדברים שיעבדו, the rabbis come in and tells him, now we're going to penalize you. Don't take them out, let it rot.
The third year you're doing it. The no-anus.
I
do it every year.
I think even if it's the first year, it doesn't have to be the first year.
It could be.
It can. Yeah.
You may see a guy that
Yeah.
better than already.
Exactly. So then you give him a penalty. ואין מתירים לו שום מלאכה. And you don't permit him to do any work מפני עבודתם, because of loss. He says, you're not trustworthy. We already know who you're dealing with over here. You are not allowed to do any kind of work. Whatever you say, yeah, he is, and you're not. That's right. ויש מפרשים, יובדו. Some explain the word יובדו, they will make it have loss. בית דין מאבדים את הדברים. The בית דין comes in, and they take it out. It's not that they tell him, let it rot. They don't let it rot because it's a waste of money. They take it out. It says, whoever wants, come and take it. It's not his anymore. It's ours. Whoever wants, first come, first pick. ומפקירים אותם לאכול משום קנס. It says, it doesn't belong to you anymore. It belongs to us. Anybody who wants, guys, here, let him learn for next time. ורש"י כותב יובדו, and Rashi writes יובדו, שאסור ליהנות מהם. Rashi says, no, he's not allowed to have any enjoyment out of them at all.
Not only him.
Yeah, actually, I'm not even sure if Rashi is talking about anybody or just him. But it could be, yeah, you're right. It could be, according to Rashi, it might mean anybody. But I'm not 100% sure if that's what Rashi means. Yeah.